If you're just starting crochet, these clover hooks can feel really comfortable to use. Light green, 2.25 mm. This is the smallest one, gray when you want very neat, tight stitches. Yellow. This one is 2.75 mm, also great for smaller projects and more detailed work. Orange, 3.25 mm. This is really nice size to start with, easy to control and great for practice. Red, a 3.5 mm gives you slightly looser stitches which can feel easier when you're just starting out. Pink, 3.75 mm. This one works really well with lighter to medium yarns, very comfortable for everyday projects. Purple, a 4 mm is really versatile size, great for many beginner projects. Light blue, 4.5 mm. This size gives your stitches a softer, more open look. Blue, 5 mm is one of the most commonly used sizes, and the yarns glide really nicely. Green, 5.5 mm. This one is great when you want a more relaxed stitch and faster progress. Brown, 6 mm. And the larger sizes are perfect for thicker yarn and quick projects. So depending on your yarn and your project, the hook size really changes how your stitches look and feel. What I really like is each side has its own color. It makes it really easy to grab the right one.